At Green Valley Manufacturing, customization is at the heart of everything we do. Having the right tool for the right job makes for a safer and more efficient work environment. This is why we developed this 3,500-pound capacity custom cart designed to transport uniform loads through tight spaces. This custom cart has a 300-inch turning radius, which allows the operator to navigate through hallways and tricky spaces. With a tiller handle, four-wheel steering, and an operator platform at both ends, this rugged cart can navigate through just about anywhere. Pedal acceleration and multiple speed selections allow the operator to choose the appropriate speed for travel. A custom solution by Green Valley gives you a solution that is engineered and designed for your application with the highest levels of safety in mind. If you're in need for a custom solution for your application, give Green Valley Manufacturing a call at 217-864-4125 or visit our website at greenvalleyinc.com.